Hi guys, good morning, good morning, good morning from the PI. And here is your village girl vlog. And for this video guys, what happened to my brother's wedding in the midnight. In the midnight, I think it's already in the middle of the night. Janjan was the one who, not just the one, my brother helped him clean the pig so that they can kill it.
Hilaw dyan ay, para sa kagkurek.
At exactly 7 a.m., I wake up because I help my mom, to my mind, to to cut all the veggies and also peel all the skin of the veggies, and also all the veggies are the ingredients of all the recipe that we're gonna make, like pancit, baklay, lechon, and I think that's all. And lumpia. We have lumpia also, and me, Ate Raquel, Mama, and Ate Maymay was the one who cut all the veggies and peel. No need to worry guys, we already wash our hands. Charot. Ate Raquel and his husband is the one who will wash all the vegetables and also the some of the meat that we're gonna put in the pancit. While cutting all the vegetables, I need a coffee for the early morning. That man is the husband of Ate Raquel, and he's the one who gonna cook the paklay and also the pancit. First is he put the garlic. He wash it first. Put the garlic. Is it garlic or ginger? Garlic, the chili, the atsal or bell pepper, and next is the here's our paklay guys with magic sarap, the susunong of Philippines. And here is the one. the cousin of Ate Kati. She's the one who make that one. The table skirting and also the design. Charot! I'm helping my uncle cooking a pancit. Pancit is life in the Philippines. You know that, guys. Pancit is life. We already know that you know how to cook pancit. So first is put the garlic, the bombay or the chili pepper, and also bell pepper, and make a smackers or mix that one, and put the meat in that, and after that put the water. That's all. As you can see, you already saw what how we cook the pancit. Just watch, guys, and stay tuned. This is what happened. so puke.